So let's talk about AI trading. We're diving into this world where, super smart algorithms are moving billions of dollars in the blink of an eye. It's having this huge and sometimes pretty wild impact on our financial markets. And that really brings us to the big question, right? Can a robot, a piece of code, actually outsmart the sharpest minds on Wall Street? Well, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's actually way more interesting than that, so let's break it down. All right, here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with what AI trading even is. Then we'll get into how it's different from the old school systems. We'll look at the massive advantages, but also the hidden risks. And finally, we'll see where humans still fit into this whole picture. Okay, so first things first, when we're talking about AI trading, what are we actually talking about? Let's pop the hood and take a quick look. At its core, it's about using these incredibly sophisticated programs to just devour huge amounts of data. We're talking news articles, stock prices, even the mood on social media. And then the AI analyzes all of that to make and execute trades all on its own. And this is really where AI just comes alive. You think about the crazy, fast-paced worlds of crypto and stock trading, success there is all about seeing patterns and acting faster than anyone else. I mean, it's pretty much the perfect playground for an AI. Now, you might be thinking, hey, haven't computers been trading for years? And you're not wrong, but there's a key difference between that and modern AI, and honestly, it changes the entire game. Think about it like this. An older automated system, it's like a simple robot. It follows a very strict set of rules. If the price hits this number, then sell. That's it. It's static. But a true AI system, that's more like a brilliant apprentice. It doesn't just follow the rules you give it. It watches the market, learns from its wins and losses, and actually adapts its strategy on the fly. It literally gets smarter over time. So when you have something that can learn and adapt like that, well, it's no wonder traders are turning to machines more and more. But let's dig into the specific advantages that make AI so incredibly powerful. I mean, look at this. The advantages are almost superhuman. The execution speed is just blistering fast, and it makes decisions completely free of emotion. No fear, no greed, none of the stuff that trips up human traders. But the biggest one? It can process these insane amounts of data to find hidden patterns that a human could never, ever spot. We're talking about things like connecting satellite photos of retail parking lots to predict a company's earnings. It's wild. And of course, the global market never really closes, and neither does the AI. It's on the job 24/7, watching every tick of the market across the globe, and it never, ever needs a coffee break. Okay, so it's faster, it's smarter, it never gets tired. It sounds absolutely perfect, doesn't it? Which naturally leads to the most important question of all. So what could possibly go wrong? Because here's the honest truth. AI is an amazing tool, but it is not a magic 8-ball. It is definitely not a set it and forget it kind of thing. You absolutely have to understand the risks. A tiny bug in the code could be catastrophic. Feeding it bad data? Well, you know the saying. Garbage in, garbage out. And then you have those completely unpredictable market events, things the AI has never seen before. Just think back to the flash crash in 2010. Competing algorithms basically got into a fight and helped tank the market by almost 1,000 points in just a few minutes. Relying on this stuff too much is a real danger. And all of that brings us to maybe the most important part of this whole story. See, the answer isn't to get rid of the human, it's to create a real partnership between human and machine. This is how it actually works when it's done right. You have a human expert who provides that critical oversight. They're the ones who set clear boundaries, telling the AI exactly how much risk it's allowed to take. They watch it, they monitor it, and they make sure it's doing what it's supposed to. And at the end of the day, they blend the AI's raw power with their own deep market knowledge and intuition. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? The tech is a phenomenal tool, for sure, but it's at its absolute best when it's guided by real human expertise. It's all about combining the best of both worlds. So, as this technology just keeps evolving at a crazy pace, maybe the future of trading isn't really human versus machine at all. Perhaps the ultimate winning strategy isn't one or the other, but a perfect blend of both? What do you think?